In relation to the violent clash among two communities of Manipur and to get a solution to the current restless situation in the state, a human chain was formed in Bishnupur comprising of thousands of people of different communities to protest and demand the non-extension of Kuki militants through agreement to implement NRC and bring back normalcy in Manipur. 34 tribes of Manipur, excluding Kukis, forming the human chain, shouted slogans stating integrity of Manipur will be protected by the 34 tribes. Sioux militants must be removed from Manipur. Long live Manipur. Integrity of Manipur will not break. We want peace, etc. Peace Committee Bishnupur Secretary Loitongbam Devchan stated that the victims and internally displaced people as a result of Kuki militants burning their homes and properties must be paid compensation and that they must be able to return to their lives they were living before the clash. He appealed to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to bring back normalcy and remove Sioux militants from Manipur so that peace may prevail.